After a Windows 10 update, the undervolting option in the XTU engine was grayed out and I was no longer able to undervolt my laptop. In order to resolve this problem, you first want to uninstall the XTU engine. And then reboot the laptop. And now it's time to install a clean copy of the Intel XTU Engine. I will leave a link in the description below. To finish our installation, we have to completely restart the laptop. Once completed, you want to reboot it again, and now you need to press Delete while it boots up in order to get to the BIOS. Once you're there, click on Advanced, and now you simultaneously want to press the right Ctrl and Shift button and the left Alt and F2 button. Here we go to Power and Performance, hit Enter. Now CPU Power Management, hit Enter, and here you find the menu View Configure Turbo Options. Click Enter. Now you go to Package Power Limit MSR Lock and you enable it. Then we're going back. Next you're going to Power Limit for Override, hit Enter and enable it. Next up you want to go to Power Limit for Lock, hit Enter and enable it as well. Now we're pressing Escape until we're back in the Advanced tab. Here we're going to Overclocking Performance menu and hit Enter. We can see that the overclocking feature is disabled. Click Enter and enable it. Pressing F10 we're saving our settings and exiting the BIOS. And now it's time to start up our Intel Extreme Tuning utility. We go to Advanced Tuning and we will receive a warning. We have to agree on this in order to proceed. And now you will be able to undervolt your system. You have to try it out for yourself, what works best for your system, and you don't have to be afraid if you undervolt it too much. The worst that can happen is that you get a blue screen and your system will reboot and apply the original settings. This goes only for undervolting, for applying a negative voltage. If you're overvolting, you can seriously damage your system. After selecting by how much you would like to undervolt your system, you click Apply, and your settings will be automatically stored. The next time when you reboot your laptop, you don't have to open the XTU engine. Your settings will be still there even when the program is not open. In regards to the BIOS settings, it worked for me, for my system. That doesn't mean it will work for you, so please change your BIOS at your own risk. I hope this helps you to get rid of the grayed out voltage settings in the XTU engine. It definitely worked for me. If you like this video, a free way to support my channel is to leave a like and to hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching this and tune in soon again. Bye for now.